So, magkano kaya? So, by the way, trivia, for this subdivision for the Aldea Grove Estate, you have the view of the iconic Mount ARYA. So, ayan, as you can see at my back, no? So, if you will going to put up your dream home dito, no? So, ayan, you could really see the view of the Mount ARYA. And another trivia for this subdivision, you have an access going to Centrala. So, Centrala is one of the biggest project of Ayala dito sa Angeles, Pampanga. That's a mixed-use development wherein they will going to put up commercial establishment. So, it will gonna be developed by Ayala. So, again, for the rendition ng map natin dito, so, we will going to show you around the map going to the Centrala. So, hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So for today's vlog, we will feature another project here in Pampanga, located here in Angeles, Pampanga. So the project name is Aldea Grove Estate by Avida. And of course, together with me, will be joining us with our house tour is Ma'am Angie. Say hi, Ma'am Angie.
Hello.
So yun, Ma'am, when it comes to our project, so it is owned and developed by Avida, no? So I believe for Avida, it's one of the brands, no, ni Ayala. And for this one, when it comes to the location, it's very strategic because it is located in saan to, Ma'am?
Barangay Mining, Angeles, Pampanga.
Yes, and of course with its again prime location, it is nearby with different establishments. For the malls, we have the
Syempre, Marquee Mall.
Marquee Mall, yes, one of the very accessible
Yes.
mall, no? And sa mga schools like AUF, Holy Angel University, and also you have an access going to the Clark. So again, very accessible siya to a lot of establishment, and of course we have also the hospital.
Yes.
And for this one, ma'am, for the Aldea Grove Estate, how many hectares do we have here?
We have around 16 hectares in Aldea.
16 hectares. So that being said, for this 16 hectare development, no, we have a lot of properties na pwede nyong pagpilian. They could choose house and lot package or lot only, diba?
Yes.
So for the lot only, Ma'am Angie, how many area that we have?
We offer an average of 150 square meters.
Oh, I see. And speaking of that, as you can see, let's show them around. So this is the actual site, no? So as you can see, there are mga available lots dyan. Yan, diba? And speaking of the price of the lots, given its yun nga, very strategic yung location, and of course we have a reputable developer. So magkano kaya? So price per square, the average that we have.
Average is 36,000 per square meter.
Yes. With that, depende pa din kung anong specific block and lot yung kukunin nyo. And of course, right now, we have mga promotion, especially for the down payment. Diba, ma'am? So, hindi naman siya like outright, magbabayad ka ng down payment. But right now, we have a stretch down payment up to ilang months.
For the lot only, we offer up to 30 months.
30 months. Okay.
And then for the house and lot, we offer up to 36 months.
36 months. So, ganun yun, pwedeng bayaran yung down payment, which how many percent yung down payment? Yep.
20%.
20%. So, yun, I believe it's really, you know, flexible when it comes to payment terms. And frequently asked question for the lot only, ano ba yung pwedeng financing dito? So, we have...
For Avida, we offer bank financing and cash, balance cash po.
Okay. So, yeah, we could help naman our clients when it comes to applying bank loan, no? And of course, when we say sa lot only, ano ba yung theme when they will going to build their house dito sa Aldea Grove?
So, syempre, kung bibilhin po natin is lot only, so hindi naman required na gayahin yung mismong
model unit.
Model unit, no? So, we we require na modern contemporary yung theme ng magiging bahay. Design.
Yep, para at least we will going to maintain yung kumbaga the beauty of the subdivision. Hindi yung pare-pareho may Japanese, may Asian, but we will going to follow the modern contemporary modern design, no? So, yun. And then, of course, if you will going to live here in this peaceful community, no? Yun nga, when it comes sa homeowners association, when it comes, how much are we going to pay for the homeowners? Mostly, tinatanong kasi yan ng mga clients din.
Currently, wala pa po tayong homeowners dito. Di pa tayo nakapag-start ng turnover. So, wala pa kami mabibigay na specific.
Yes. So that's why you have to stay tuned with our
update
YouTube
natin
channel.
Sila pag na-turnover na.
And of course, again, this is secured and it offers a lot of amenities then, no? So right beside us, no, it's ongoing, no, actual to construction with our clubhouse. So we will going to flash then yung mga sample rendition ng ano natin, no, yung sa clubhouse. And of course, we have our swimming pool and the basketball court. And for Aldea Group or for Ayala and Avida, we have a lot of open spaces, no? No, kasi parang yung ano ni Ayala or Avida is like more of greenery then, no? So yan, maluluwag din yung mga roads network natin dito, no? So yun, we're excited to show you around as well for the house and lot package. If let's say you opt to build or you don't want to build your own design, so you have an option na house and lot ready package na para at least, again, another advantage of having a house and lot is si developer na yung gagawa ng bahay nyo, no? So for the house model, so we have here the ERIN. O tara, let's go. So for the ERIN, the modal lot area that we have ranging from 150 to 200, diba ma'am? So it depends on the block and lot then napipilian niya. Kasi we have also mga corner lots, mga inner lots, so it depends on you. Tara. Ma'am Angie, how about for this one? How many carport yung pwede? Or car na pwedeng, ano, I believe two car will fit in dito sa carport nga, no, or sa car garage. So, as you can see, ayan siya. Ganyan siya ka-spacious, no? And for our model unit, we have ERIN. Ayan siya. So, again, for the modal lot area that we have ranging from 150 to 200. And for the floor area, we have 98 square meter of floor area. How many toilet and bedrooms?
3.
3 toilet bedrooms. And how many toilet and bathrooms for this area?
2.
So 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bathrooms. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So ayan, welcome to our ERIN model. So of course, as you enter, you will be greeted with your living area, no? So ayan. So right beside your living area, you have your dining area. Ito. So dito nyo, yan. After mo kasing magluto, on your right side, dito Ma'am Angie. Ma'am Angie, do you love cooking ba? So,
mahilig kumain.
Mahilig bang kumain? So, ayan, this will be your kitchen area. Ayan. And then, for the ground floor area niya, so, on the right side ng, ano nyo, yung kitchen area is your common toilet and bath. Ayan. And on the ground floor, meron din siyang, ano to, ma'am? Storage. So, ayan, parang pantry area, no? And then, meron siyang access door pala.
Service
dito.
Door, yes.
Service door. So, after mong, yun, let's say, mag-grocery, pwede ka na din palang dumiretso dito, no?
Yes.
Oh, so, yeah, meron siyang service door din on the ground floor. Ayan. And, of course, dito sa papuntang second floor, of course, you have your stairs. They converted yung sa ilalim ng stairs as another storage area. Nakalak lang. So, this could be your another additional storage area. Okay, let's go, ma'am. For the second floor, let's let's go. So, parang meron pa din siyang service area dito na parang kinonvert pa, no?
Yes.
Parang small office pa din siya, no? And pagka-akyat mo ng stairs, so, ito yung bedroom number 1. So, ayan. Let's show them around for the bedroom number 1. So, this is really perfect for the mga family na 3 to 5, no? Pwede, no?
Yes.
And then, for the bedroom number 2, here you go. Oh, ma'am. This is just a model unit and meron pa gitara. Meron pa palang
Oo.
Ayan. So, meron pa palang pag-gitara dito sa model unit natin.
Wow.
And of course, we have your common toilet and bathroom on the 2nd floor. Ayan siya. And this is one of my favorite part, the master's bedroom. Ayan. Look how spacious it is. And my most favorite tagline for the master's bedroom, this is where the magic happens. And yun nga, for your master's bedroom, meron ka pala dito mini balcony. Ayan. So you could see your neighborhood, the peaceful community of Aldea Grove. By the way, for the type of finish that we have is fully finished, no? Except lang yung mga
wala po tayong built-in cabinets.
Okay, and of course the furnitures, yes. No? So yun, fully finished yung type of unit, yung deliverables natin. Okay? And magkano na ba si ERIN, ma'am, with the house and lot package? As of the moment, no, August 2024, how much yung range ng prices for the ERIN model natin?
Nag-i-start siya at 10 million.
10 million.
Depende pa rin po sa laki ng magiging lot natin.
Yes. So, as we move forward dito sa another model unit natin, which is ARYA, no? So, how many lot area yung modal size natin dito, ma'am?
For the lot area, ganun din po, nasa 150 to 200.
Okay. So, depende pa rin kung ano yung specific block and lot, no?
Yes.
And the floor area, how many square meter for the floor area?
For ARYA, it's 84
square meter. So, as you can see, this is the exterior of the ARYA, no? Almost similar, no? Parang similar sila ng color, ng looks, no? And what I love dito, since our model size for the lot is 150, so you have really spacious, no? As you can see, yan, nag-garden pa, oh. So, yeah. And then, dito, single carport lang, no? And then, you have, like, parang, dito, no? Pwede ka din mag-garden and may barbecue, barbecue place, so you could hang out with your friends here, no? Ayan. So, no? Ready na yung barbecue natin. Ayan. So, and dito, meron din siyang service door. Pero, of course, we're going to enter sa main door. So, this is the ARYA model. Ayan. So, again, you will be greeted with your living area, no? Sarap siguro mag-Netflix dito, no? Netflix and chill.
Yes.
Ayan. So, again, for this model unit, as you can see, you could have an idea with your, kung paano nyo gagawa ng interior design, no? Yung future home nyo, yung dream home nyo. And then, of course, for this one, you have your dining. Yeah, dining. And of course, left beside is your kitchen. And the question here, Miss Angie, we have a question here. So, paano kapag you want to put up your dirty kitchen? Shall we put some service, dito? Parang dun sa barbecue natin, can we put some dirty kitchen here? No, pwede naman mag-extend.
Yes.
No, para at least di nga mangamoy, so parang yun yung maging kitchen. Kasi the typical Filipino families, especially for Kapampangans, they really love to cook, right? So, and of course, on the ground floor, we have your toilet and bathroom. Ayan. So, for this one, how many bedrooms din, by the way?
3 bedrooms din, sir. And 2 toilets. Pero, as you enter yung ARYA, ramdam mo talaga yung difference niya from ERIN. So, kanina may parang hallway pa tayo dun sa kitchen at storage. So, nawala yung storage. So, si ARYA is parang very straightforward. Pagpasok mo, eto na siya lahat.
It's an open layout.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Tapos, yung ano niya, yung, kumbaga, storage area niya.
Etong sa ilalim.
Sa ilalim. Okay. Yeah. So, future homeowners, feel free to comment down below kung anong nagustuhan nyo, ARYA or ERIN. Ayan. So, let's move forward to the second floor.
Bedrooms na agad siya. So, nawala yung ating
parang service area or family area on the second floor. Yeah. Because ERIN is more spacious than ARYA.
Yes.
No? So, yan. You have also your common toilet and bath. No? And of course, for this one, this will be your master's bedroom. Ayan. So, anong theme meron dito? What's the theme of this interior design? Now, you have idea, parang it's like, ano to?
Parang boho.
Boho theme,
kasi
no?
may mga...
Oo. So, for your master's bedroom, no? So, they put some tables here. Parang built-in table, no? Parang yung mga gustong mag-work from home after or kagising, that's diretso sa so pwede itong maging workstation mo, no? Tapos, ayan. What I love is na maximize din nila yung space kasi, ayan, no? Ayan. So, inayos nila yung sa cabinet nila, no? For this one, para at least mas, kumbaga, it's more spacious tignan kasi they really maximize the space of this bedroom.
Also, sir, kanina, yung master's bedroom ng ERIN, may balcony.
Balcony, yep.
So, dito naman, ample yung window.
Yes, to,
mapapansin.
Yep. Para at least, yun nga, for the window, what I've noticed as well is, kumbaga, papasok yung natural light, no? Tignan mo, yung sa mga lightings natin, no? So, basically, this one is natural light yung pumapasok, right? So, yeah, let's go for the second bedroom. Ayan. So, yan, for the second bedroom, this will be your second bedroom. Ayan. So, perfect siya sa mga kids, no? Cute lang. And for this one, parang yung sa kabila, more of the pink one, and for this one, for the blue one. One of my most favorite color is, or my most really favorite color is really color blue, diba? So, ayan. Ganda. So, ito para kay kuya, and then yung isa para kay ate. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa master's bedroom. The question here right now, Miss Angie, magkano naman din si ARYA?
So, nag-start siya ng 9M.
Oh.
So, yun.
Konting difference lang between ERIN.
Actually, yung kaninang 10M, it's the lowest na price ng ERIN. So, nagre-range siya 10 to 13.
Okay. So, again, for comprehensive details for the computation, feel free to message us. Feel free to contact us, and we're really more than happy to guide you. So again, if you have more questions and concerns, again, don't hesitate to message us right down below with our number. And ayun, Ma'am Angie, thank you for joining us, no?
Thank you, sir.
Again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker, and we're really more than happy to see you on our next live. Bye for now.